Sticky Korean barbecue. Start by marinating 650 grams of chicken breast pieces with 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Mix well and set aside while you prepare the batter. Prepare the batter. Add 2 spoons of all-purpose flour, 1 spoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic and ginger powder, 1/2 onion powder, and salt, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Then add 1/4 cup of water. Coat the chicken breast pieces in the batter, then dip them into breadcrumbs until they are evenly covered. Shallow fry the breaded chicken for about 5 minutes on each side or until golden brown and cooked through. Prepare the glaze in a bowl. Combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of Gochujang red chili glaze sauce, 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, 0.1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of water, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 0.1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch if you prefer a thicker glaze. Simmer the glaze until it thickens, then add the fried breaded chicken pieces to the pan. Toss to coat evenly. Garnish with sliced green chili pieces and spring onion. Serve and enjoy your delicious sticky Korean barbecue chicken. My family loves to enjoy this dish with jasmine sticky rice. Subscribe to my channel to watch my video on how to prepare perfect sticky rice.